Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Arshawn Vlogs. I'm here in Liverpool, England. Today we're going to be going to Costco in the UK, seeing how it compares to Costco in other places like the US and what else is new. Let's go.
Smell cheese down here, but I don't know whether you've got them in anymore. Right.
And here we are in your typical British Costco. See, they're selling some great electronics today. I want you to relax and join me on this journey throughout the store and maybe pretend almost as if you're a child in the little child seat of the shopping cart. As you can see, I'm pushing you around the store. We're shopping together, looking for vacuums and razor blades in bulk, of course. This is Costco. Ah, Henry. That's what I was going to name your twin before you absorbed him in the womb, of course. Let's see what else we have here. Ah, great. Some office supplies in bulk. Won't need those, of course, as I have recently lost my job. And a 79-pound electric tea kettle. Engineered in the UK though, so hopefully it will be worth the price because of its quality. And a great assortment of mountain bikes and the likes. Obviously you are too young to ride any of those yet, but this would be a great place to purchase one of those, so I'll make a mental note of that. And we swing around here to see some great deals on alcoholic beverages, it looks like. £78.99 for this very opulent carafe bottle, whatever it is. Not sure how the liquor would be, but I'm sure that's a great conversation starter. And also a great deal on the Johnny Walker. Oh, I see, that's for the Don Julio. Well, regardless, I do see they have the limited edition Johnny Walker Blue Label Year of the Rabbit. Come around here to the Costco toy aisle, of course. You will not be getting any toys today, though, unfortunately, due to your bad behavior last night, making me look like a fool. It looks like we have come too late in the day for any rotisserie chickens. Would have been a great deal at just $3.99, but unfortunately we're too late and it's not one that we are going to get, so guess we will have to have beans again tonight. Some of the largest tins of beans I've ever seen here at Costco, but it's a place where you buy in bulk. That's the name of the game here. Just like these potato chips, Kettle Crisps. Well, it has been a successful venture today, shopping at Costco here in Liverpool, England. I hope you've enjoyed being pushed around the store as my child. Now I will make a quick trip to the food court, of course. Many choices, including many different variations of toppings on your jacket potato. You know me, cheese and beans. I think I will also get no gelato for me today, and none for you either, for aforementioned reasons. However, I will get myself a hot dog, and you can have a small nibble. Yum, yum, yum. what a beautiful hot dog with the chopped onion free of charge, as well as a free Pepsi Max beverage that comes with it. They have really streamlined the ordering process here, as well as they offer the aforementioned gelato, which we will not be indulging in. You know why. If you are still watching this video, I just want to thank you and hope you enjoyed your tour around British Costco, and want to leave you with this final sensation. Imagine you are now leaving the warm embrace and fluorescent lighting of Costco Wholesale and stepping out into the blustery and icy Liverpudlian cold December night. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.